the Jumbo Festival, a festival of Jumbo joy and pure love plus knowledge, no age. But then lapha kuyobe kukhohlelwa lwakhe emqondweni nethinjula buchopho kuyobe kuvulwa buchopho phela. It's the Jumbo Festival. Sanibonani ninjani? This is Timnane the poet, a poet of Vala. I'm here to invite each and every one of you watching this video to the Jumbo Festival 2024. Letabe hosted Emavuso Trade Center on the 9th of November 2024. So we're gonna have Ihasla or business seminar with speakers Mr. Tami Dlamini, Neliswangala, Mbongen Matebula, Tabiso Dlamini. Then we're gonna have performances from our brother Slamumila, you know that guy, good vocals, and then we have Fleming poet who will post some words, pure words, and then we have our MC Nagefu Ngobi. And then we have the main event which hosts Pastor Bay and Kubra. Then we have plenty of performances, Dungelo Tom, Classic Men, Piwomnisi, Shinely Greens, Dura, Zulu D, and many more. You know, we've got an after party as a bonus, nourished by performances of Spoo, the drum DJ, DJ Russell, guitar, the scientist, the bishops, DJ. Oh wow, we've got many more artists that's gonna be there on the for the after party. Then remember, the day's outfit is strictly formal. Then make sure you dress to kill and win. You know you're gonna win on that day if you can dress smart, dress to kill. Yes. For your tickets, we've got various ticket outlets. Then in Manzini we have Dee's Perfume Hut and Baraka Kitchen, and then in Babane we have Perfume Hut. Zurini we've got Move Zone. You can get the tickets on those places. Then for your online tickets, go visit www.thejumbofest.com www.thejumbofest.com, and then ticket differs like this. For the Hustler seminar, tickets it's 100 Emalangeni. Then for the main event it's 250 Emalangeni. Then if for more info you can contact +268 7648 5954 +268 7648 5954. Then see you at the top, because that's where you belong, because at the bottom it's crowded. Then make sure you invite a friend, then the friend tell another friend. So make sure you attend this event. We meet there.